Hello there, it's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the Severe Weather Outlook for July 22nd. July 22nd, yeah, so what is happening at the moment? Severe Tropical Storm Matmo is out there in Northwest Pacific. We have Tropical Depression number 2 in the Atlantic, who could be Bertha, but probably not at this moment. In Mexico, they are expecting what we have strong to very strong rains in these areas. There's not as much electrical activity and hail expected as I've seen on previous maps where it was almost the entirety of the country. There's a possibility for strong winds here, and I had no idea what divergence in. I'm assuming it's indicating that there's some kind of divergent pattern there in the high levels of the atmosphere or something. I have no idea what that means meteorologically, which is actually true about most things. I don't know meteorology. In the United States, 3 different slight risk areas, and as you'll see, a lot of them are actually connected. In Canada, severe thunderstorm watches at the moment, and I believe these are warnings for heat again. So here is what is happening. There's actually 4 different things. So over here we have Matmo / Henry, Henry being the Pegasi name for this storm. So this thing is basically at the moment over Taiwan. Taiwan, unsurprisingly, has advisories in effect for very heavy rain, including in all of these purple areas, extremely torrential rain. Lots of rain, obviously, with the storm. In China, orange warning of typhoon, and again, the scale, I believe, goes blue, yellow, orange, red. So, for instance, yesterday, I believe it was just blue. It's up to orange as of this moment. And, of course, as of this moment, there is some, I don't know, divergence and whatnot on whether this thing will re-emerge out here as a tropical depression or possibly an extratropical storm or not. Yesterday they were having that, but as of now, no. Elsewhere, have this area that I do believe was a high chance yesterday, medium chance of tropical cyclone formation over there. This tropical disturbance is a 60% chance in the next 5 days. And then, of course, we have tropical depression number 2 out here in the Atlantic, who could be Bertha, but probably not. They're not really forecasting this thing to strengthen. They're actually expecting that it will dissipate somewhere around this part. But of course, that's going to make it a big rain threat. So no land hazards at the moment. This thing is moving towards these islands, though. And of course, you can have a super heavy rain threat for a depression that is pretty weak, in fact. A lot of times, the weaker the storm is, the bigger the rain threat is. But at the moment, no land hazards on that one. And of course, it'd be lovely if it just dissipated out here and then didn't even get to the islands. In the United States, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm threat for the next few days. And at this very moment, 1 severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Montana for this cell that's moving around. For today, in general, 2% chance for a tornado for these 2 areas. 15% chance for the 58 mile per hour and greater winds. And this is what I was talking about with them all being connected basically by the 5% probability areas. Basically almost the same map between the wind and hail today. So this is the hail map showing the probability for 1 inch or larger hail. So basically the 15% areas are almost identical, but that's what's expected for today. Tomorrow, 15% chance for these areas and 5% for this huge amount. And that is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.